What's up guys, welcome to Vision Codes. How are you? I hope you all are fine. So today I will show you how to make automated WhatsApp messaging system through Python. So let's get started. First we have to open any of our IDE like Visual Studio Code or PyCharm. I will use Visual Studio Code. So open it and make a new file and name it as whatsapp.py. Don't forget to add extension .py. After that, open your terminal. Then open your any of the browser and go through the link in the description on Python's official website. Then copy this text, pip install pywhatkit because we need this. So paste this text in here in the terminal and hit enter. Then this package pywhatkit will be installed, so I will skip this process. After installing the package, we have to import this package pywhatkit. So write import and write the package name pywhatkit. Then in the second line write pywhatkit. You can also take the suggestion which is coming on the screen. Then dot, then send message. You can see on the third place it is send what message. Then take bracket and take attributes. Then write the number with your country code, like I will write +91. Then number, for security reason I am blurring this number. Then after that place a comma after attribute as on the screen you can see. Then again place attribute and write the message, like I will write hi bro. Then after place a comma and write the time when you had to send this, like I will write 19, then comma and then minutes, like I will write 58 1 minute after, because you can also see that live. So now I will run this in the terminal, so you can see it is executing and message came that after 55 seconds WhatsApp will open. So let's open our browser and wait for it. So you can see the WhatsApp web is loading and that number is also now going to load, as you can see, and here the hi bro has been typed. Now you can see it has been delivered. So that's it for today guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.